Hello, Albert Grande here. The purpose of this video is to help promote pizza through the use of video. I'm a pizza ambassador and I was recently named a PowToon ambassador. The main goal for PowToon ambassadors is to influence and empower others to tell their story through video. There are many paths you can take to create incredible video stories. I want to support you in your own video journey. Your video could be about pizza, your favorite pizzeria, a recipe, a special event, or anything else. You can use PowToon like I'm doing here, but you don't have to. You can use anything. Are you ready to take the first step? I'll be sharing more ideas in future videos. And I'd love to hear a comment or idea below. Would you help me with my mission by clicking on the link below? Click on the link to learn more about PowToon. Hey, it's free. I greatly appreciate your support. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.